How to create a Facebook page. Creating a Facebook page is very easy. You won't believe it. You just have to watch this video from beginning to the end. I will explain it from A to Z. I will do it in a simpler way that anybody can understand. Just watch this video. Let's go. This is how to create a Facebook page. So today we are creating a brand new Facebook page. So this is how you start. You have to go to your Facebook profile. So this is my own Facebook profile. From here, you go to your pages. I hope I'm not too fast. So you go to your pages. This is your pages here. You click on the pages. Then you go to create. So this is where you start. It says get started. So you click on get started. So you choose your page name. So before now, you're supposed to write out the name of pages or page names you would like to answer. So like here, let's just put viral videos. I can choose videos with Z to make it unique. Okay, then I'll click next. So the categories, you know what you want, you know what kind of page you want to create. Let me say I want to do digital creator. So you choose digital creator. Whatever you want to put, you search and see if it's there. Then you choose the one that suits you. Then you create page. It's easy. It's coming. Ta-da! You see, it's easy. You can do it. You don't need to pay a dime to do it. It says you have created your page. Then it's asking you, what kind of page is this? Okay, so here I will choose for content and connect with people. So I'll choose this one. I'll click continue. So here you can put the picture you want. You customize your page, whatever you want, you put it there. Up here is where you put the profile picture, like the banner. Then the smaller one is the profile picture. The people will see immediately. So anyone you like, let's say, let me just do it for the sake of this video. For the sake of this video, let me choose this picture. So the picture is there. So for the profile, I might decide to choose this one. It's easy. You can do it. You just have to practice. Practice. You can create many pages you like. So it's not limit. You're not limited. So here you can invite friends, but this is a page I'm just using to teach. I'm not inviting anybody. So I'll click next. I'll click next. Okay, I'll click done. I'm done. I'm finished. I click done. So it's opening my new page. Wow, this is my new page. So this is my new page. Now I have a page. If you like, you can do a tour so that they will tell you what the page includes. Let's do a tour for the sake of this video. Quick tour, telling you how to switch between a page, Facebook page and Facebook profile. That's what it's telling you. How to be connected. Then you are done. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll stop here. See you in my next video. If you want me to do any other video, you can comment below and I will do it. Thank you. Bye bye.